In this very brief lecture, I am going to show you that a set is an unordered list of elements. What does it mean is,
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
we cannot access the individual elements through the indexing system. So as a set is in an unordered list of elements, there is no concept of indexing in it. Hence, individual elements cannot be accessed. Let's prove this with the help of an example. Suppose I have got this set and it's containing some values 12, 23, etc. So suppose what I want to do is I want to access the very first element, and in order to do it, because the name of the set is all, what I am going to write is print all within square brackets 0. It is definitely going to result into an error message. So let's prove it. What I can do is I will press the right mouse button on the program itself in order to execute it. Then I will go to run. This is run. Set3 is the name of the program, and now we will see the error message. Yes, as you can see, the message is very clear. Set object does not support indexing. That is why this is invalid to access an individual element of a set using indexing technique. So that means this is also invalid. Print, suppose like in previous cases we were doing, suppose I am writing 1:3. So what does that mean? It means I want to access or arrange all the elements starting from the index number 1 till index number 2, because the last number is whatever last number is mentioned, that is -1. But this is feasible only in case of tuples and lists. We cannot do it in case of a set, right? So again, this will cause error. Okay, so this is going to cause an error. Let's again try it. Press the right mouse button on the program, click on run. Set3 is the name of the program, and again the same message is appearing. Set object does not support indexing. So what we have learned is, set is an unordered list of elements. We cannot use indexing to access individual elements.